If you want to send a Gamma project by email, whether that means inviting someone directly, sharing a web link, or attaching a PDF or PowerPoint file, this video will walk you through the easiest ways to do it step by step. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Let's start with the fastest option, which is sending a direct email invite. First, open your Gamma project and look to the top right corner of the screen. You should see the Share button. Click that and Gamma will open the sharing options for your project. From here, you can add the recipient's email addresses directly. Type in the email address or addresses of the people you want to share with. Then choose the permission level you want to give them. Gamma usually gives you two main options here, Can View or Can Edit. If you only want someone to read the project, choose Can View. If you want them to make changes, choose Can Edit. Once you've selected the right permission, send the invite. Gamma will email them a direct link to the project and they can open it right from their inbox. This is a great option if you want a clean, controlled way to collaborate with teammates, clients, or partners. Now let's go over the second method, which is emailing a web link. This is useful if you want to send a project through Gmail, Outlook, or any other email service yourself. In Gamma, copy the unique project link from the Share options. Then open your email app, create a new message, paste the Gamma link into the body of the email, and send it to whoever needs access. One of the best things about this method is that recipients do not need a Gamma account just to open and read the project. That makes it super convenient when you're sharing presentations, documents, or visual pages with people who may not use Gamma regularly. Next, if you need a file attachment instead of a live link, Gamma also lets you email a PDF or PowerPoint file. To do that, go to Share, then choose Export. From there, select either PDF or PowerPoint, depending on the format you need. Gamma will download the file to your computer, and in many cases, it will also automatically send a copy to your account email. That makes it easy to forward the file afterward, attach it to another email, or store it for later use. This is especially helpful if you need a more formal file format for a client, meeting, or offline presentation. So to recap, you have 3 easy ways to email a Gamma project. You can send a direct email invite with sharing permissions, you can copy and paste the web link into your own email, or you can export the project as a PDF or PowerPoint attachment. If you're sharing with someone who needs to collaborate, use the direct invite. If you just want to send a quick read-only version, use the web link. And if you need a downloadable file, use the export option. If this guide helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Gamma tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.